All right, so we're about to create the complete AI video, and this is how you go about it. So first of all, we have to start going into creating the audio. Now, to create the audio, you come to this website called play.ht. So you just come to this and type play.ht. This is the website. This is how you see it. All you have to do is to come down. You can access this with your mobile phone perfectly, and then tap on generate AI voice. You use your Gmail, or you can use your Facebook, whatever you want to use to log in. You can just log in with anyone, but I have already logged in, so let me just come straight to it. Now when you log in, it's going to show you an interface just like this. You can see it on your mobile phone. Also, you have this menu side and here where you input the your scripts or your write-ups for it to play. So now I was working on something here, but I'm also going to explain certain things for you to understand. Now I was working on a script like that I'm going to use to make for that we are going to use to make this video. So this is the script. Now I'm editing this script. Now you have to understand that this play ht, there's a way it picks scripts. So if you put script anyhow disorganized, it's not going to pick it well. Let me show you an example. So let's say you have script whereby it's not as arranged as this. Let me look for a script, something like this. You see this script is kind of scattered. If we should copy this script the way it is, like this, if you copy it the way it is this way, it's disorganized. If we copy it and then come and bring it to play ht, let's bring it down here. Let's use this one down, and then we paste it here. Paste. You notice what this does? Look at what it does. It doesn't give you, look at it, just it cuts all of this. It cuts all of this, and it's not nice. So you have, it breaks them into fragments, and which we don't want. We want everything to be at one, arranged well, so that when it talks, when the AI speaks, it speaks in sync. Do you understand? But now you see, when we play this now, it's now going to be playing 1 2 3 4. Why? Because the script is not arranged well. Whereas, let me do Ctrl Z, so we're starting everything afresh. Whereas if you arrange your script this way, so you can do this also with your phone. If you arrange your script this way, good, you see the way it's arranged everywhere. Everything is sync. Everything is sync. You can see it from here to here. Everything is sync. Everything is like in a rectangular form. So you can also do this on your mobile phone. So don't scatter the text and then paste it. It's not going to work. But now if we should copy, let me finish editing this text actually, then we're going to copy it to paste. So make sure you edit the text well and try as much as possible to remove a lot of mistakes before you put it there. Otherwise it's going to read a lot of mistakes. And when you're using the text, when you're using the text, you should always try to put full stop for breathe space, for breathing. So let's say the AI is now talking, you say it will be like, so if you're a young person and you want to be successful, you see this full stop is going to make it to breathe. The AI is going to breathe. Then you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. It breathes. Now if you don't have enough attention span to watch this video, you see, to watch this video, you can, let's just leave it, let's not put full stop. You can just go ahead and scroll. I cannot help you, then full stop. So let the AI be talking like a human. Let it have breaks, and you can make that happen if you put full stop. You understand? So there's a particular level that you need to get to if you want to make a lot of money for yourself. Now I'm going to just put all the full stop and try as much as possible to edit it because of time, and then we're going to continue the video. Okay, so I'm done editing the script. So what I'm going to do now is now to copy it. And when you want to copy it, you're going to copy it in fragments, copy it half. So just see how I'm going to copy it. I'm going to look for like a very nice point. Let's see here, this momentum. I'll copy it. Pay attention to what I'm doing. You copy it in fragments, you copy it half, because if you copy the whole thing, it's not going to take I think a level, certain numbers of words is not going to take. So you're just going to paste it. Okay, it has taken that. and then we'll copy the other one, the remaining half here, because it's just a short clip. Copy, and then we'll paste this here in this down parts. Paste. So you can see that it didn't cut the whole script, which makes our work neater and easier, and it saves us from generating, because you see, each time you create an account you have limited provision of generating these sounds. So let's play it and let's watch it generate.
If you're a young person and you want to be successful,
Okay,
where you're making a lot of money and you're making business or entrepreneurship work for you.
we also do it for the next one. Let's generate this next one. Let's play it. Mind you can do this on your mobile phone. In fact, it works very smoothly and very easy on your mobile phone,
Because the internet has information to support.
I didn't like the first sound. I didn't like the first avatar, the first AI avatar character. I didn't like it, so I changed it. So if you want to change the character, you just tap on the names. You now choose. I think the best for me is this Samuel, but I prefer Samuel, and I'm going to use Samuel. So when you tap on the one you have selected, you just scroll down, scroll completely down, then come here to confirm. Then it's now going to confirm that is what you want. So let's just close it. And since we have now downloaded, since we have played everything I download and it has finished generating, all we have to do is to come here to this place and then tap on download. Just tap on it, so it automatically download. You can see it has downloaded here. You come down to this other down part, this one, and then tap on download also, and it automatically downloads up here. Good. So you have two of them here. Now the next step is going to our editing platform. So we're going to be using capcut for this. If you don't have capcut, just go to your Play Store and download capcut. If you're using a mobile, if you're using a system, just go to the internet and type capcut, just like what I've done, and it's going to download, and you can use it online. So what we are going to do now is now to import the sounds. So let me just do that real quick. You can literally do this on your mobile phone. You don't necessarily need a system to do this, so you don't have an excuse. Okay, good. So we've imported the first sound, we'll import the second one. So let's go import the second one, then we import it. So this is the first
Number
one.
2, you need to focus.
Let's just tap on it. So you can see it here. Let's play it.
Number 2, you need to focus on one particular. If you're a young person and you want to be successful, you need.
We're going to come here to this down part. We're going to zoom in. We're going to zoom in. When we zoom in, I hope this my mic is not far away. So when we zoom in, sorry guys for that. So just bring this other one.
If you're a young person and you
tap on this plus to bring it here. So we now have both of them that is sync. So now the next step is us getting the visuals. The visuals is the next step. So now I don't want to use an AI talking avatar. Like, that's not the form I want to use. I want to use different visuals to express whatever message I want to express. So where I get visuals is pixels. You can see it here. Just come to pixels.com. so you can see. So this is where I get the visuals, especially visuals for men. I also downloaded a lot visuals for men like that from my downloads. So I can also go to my downloads, but depending on what I'm explaining, I'll just come here and then type. So if I want men with suit, you can just come type men with suit. You can see it here. Let me zoom in so you guys will see. You can see men in suits, and you just type whatever you're looking for. Men jumping, men happy, depending on what you're looking for, then you just type it. It's going to give you the results. So now for this one, I'm going to create. So let's just create something real quick. I want to change the mic. This my particular mic won't allow me to hear what I'm doing and then record it. So let me just change mic real quick. So good.
Number two, you
So now I can now hear everything, and I've changed the mic so I can now hear. So let's try to edit. So okay, I think I interchanged the audio. So this is supposed to be here and this is supposed to be here. So what I'm going to do is just bring this one here and then bring this one here, and then this is supposed to be here following it. Good. So let's hear the voice.
If you're a young person and you want to be successful, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end.
So we're going to look for things related to what we've just had. So if you're a young person, so I think we can use, let me just look for, I think this is cool. Cancel this. This is cool. This one here. So I can use this. Download it, automatically download. This one that is downloading very slow. Just hope it's not very heavy. Let's say with car. So this is going to depict success, because a young man standing in car is successful. So let's see. I kind of like this one. I think that I finished downloading. So let me just tap on it. So it's going to download also. So bring it down to import it. You import it, whatever you download, you just import it, and then we'll go back and bring the other one to import. We want this ratio. So we're now going to tap on ratio, and then we're now going to choose this one, 9:16 TikTok ratio, because that's what most videos now operate under. So we're now going to drag this and bring it here. So that,
if you're a young person and you want to be successful,
so let's just delete this, and then let's bring this successful, depicting successful. And then what we're going to do is to just zoom. We're going to zoom in and zoom it this way. So let's play it.
if you're a young person and you want to be successful, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. If you don't have enough attention span to
If you don't have enough attention span, we can also get something like that. So what we'll do is, good, let's see this. So let's download this. You can, since we've downloaded it, just bring it down also. We'll bring it down here. So let's
span to watch this video, you can just go ahead and scroll. I cannot help you. There is a particular
so we can be using pictures also, not only videos.
There is a particular level that you need to get to if you want to make a lot of money for yourself.
So a particular level, if we are going to use okay, so I was able to like do some little just drawing and keeping and adding and cutting and stuff, just like the way I said you guys, just like the way I said you're going to do it. So it's very, very simple to edit. Everything is very simple actually. Just because of time, I'm trying to cut all of these things, what you've understood. So literally just got all the materials I'm going to use to edit. You do the same thing depending on what you're hearing. That is what you want people to perceive based on what you're hearing. So if you hear something like, okay, and the boy jumped, then you can get something related to either jumping or maybe skipping, or just something that when people hear, they can see, and then they as they get to assimilate what you're trying to portray for them. So let's just watch what I have done so far. Let me put the whole this thing. So
if you're a young person and you want to be successful, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. If you don't have enough attention span to watch this video, you can just go ahead and scroll. I cannot help you. There is a particular level that you need to get to if you...
So you notice the part that I said I cannot help you. I intentionally made it dark. So let me show you what I did there. Intentionally made it dark. So what I just did is I didn't just put anything there. So when it came to play, there was
I cannot...
literally nothing there. So it's just part of what I how I want to do my own style like that. So let's just keep watching.
I cannot help you. There is a particular level that you need to get to if you want to make a lot of money for yourself. There are 4 different steps that you need. If you want to make sure that you get to a level where you're making a lot of money and you're making business or entrepreneurship work for you, number 1, you need to act on every piece of information according to your instincts. Why? Because opportunities are always going to come around you, but your ability to act is what is going to help you gain momentum. Number 2, you need to focus on one particular thing and learn a skill that can change your life. Number 3, you need to be selective about the kind of information you allow into your mind. It's not every piece of information that you see out there that is actually for you. Why? Because the internet has information to support every ideology. If you go and search for something terrible, there's always going to be a quote that will support that. So the kind of information...
Good. So I'll just wrap up and finish everything up, but the video is already too long. But that is just it. If you get the whole concept, you download, like I told you, you go to this website, you download these free items. You can type whatever you want to download, and you're literally going to see either videos or pictures for it. Now you can also use AI to download certain pictures. Let me show you how to do that. So you go to ChatGPT, just chat. I don't know, is there anybody that doesn't, I mean, there's nobody that doesn't, is there anybody that doesn't even know what ChatGPT is, like presently right now? You have to be living in a cave if you don't. But you just come to your browser and just type in chatgpt.com, and then it's going to bring you here. You register on the website, it's easy to register. And then so when you come here, when you finish registering, you can literally type image that you want to be created here. Actually, you can literally type. So you can see, let's just type an image that I want to create as AI. A boy. I need an image of a boy holding a ball. Just simple. Play. Let's see. This, you can see, you can just download this. You can use it for the video you're editing after getting that voice note. You tap on the image and then tap on download here. After you finish everything, you just export it. It's very very easy to export it. You literally, after exporting, you're going to see it on your mobile phone or your system. So that's just how you do it. It's as simple as that. So just get the key concepts, how you edit your scripts, how you push them to AI to be able to create or generate for you the best audio and read the script for you the best way you want it to be read. So